welcome back. Appreciate the love and support. So I just wanted to make this video today for those of you that are just getting into Dremel engraving. When I first started Dremel engraving a couple of years ago, I found it somewhat difficult to find videos that really showed me the process in real time. There was lots of time-lapse videos, which is great, and I post those myself because they're fun to watch. You know, they take place really fast. But I couldn't really find a whole lot of videos of people doing it in real time, and I always wondered, how do people get such clean lines? How does that shading process look so perfect? And to be honest with you, none of it's perfect, but the way that you get it looking better is simply just practicing. Get yourself some sheet metal, spray paint it, whatever you want to do, and just practice and sit down and try different things, and it's a lot of trial and error. So I'm working on this Marine Corps piece of aluminum that I've been working on the past couple days, and so if you look on my page, I posted a video of the prep work to get it painted. I did some more videos of the stencil, and now I'm to this point here, and I'm working on shading in these letters, so I really wanted to take a second to just film some real-time footage of me shading these in so you can see what it looks like. Now I'm using a round carbide burr from Fox Burrs. All right, and that was recommended to me by my buddy Max over at Triato Engraving, so check out his page if you want to see some really cool stuff. But I'm using those, and what you're gonna see, and you can kind of see them on here, I make these lines throughout the letters, and you'll see me doing this as we go. And I do that for no other reason than to set little tiny goals for myself. So you don't have to do that. You'll see me do it, but it's really just like shade up into this line. That's my first goal. And then, okay, now we're working on this little section, get to my second goal, and so on and so forth. And I guess it makes it seem a little less tedious for me. So if you see me doing that, that's why. Anywho, without further ado, let's go down and start engraving this thing. And drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you like these, I'd be more than happy to do more. Of course, if you ever have any questions, comment, feel free to reach out to me, and I'd be more than happy to help you in any way I can. So best of luck, and let's go down below. I'll make my next goal here. thing you can do afterwards is you can go through and you can re-outline these letters. And it'll give it a nice bold look. Also, you'll notice I'm going only in one direction, and I'm usually working forward in an upwards fashion because I can see what's up ahead of me. If I'm working down, my hand is blocking. All right, so that's what that looks like. So we did the rest of the H and then we did the A. And when you really look into it, you know, my lines aren't absolutely perfect, but when you really show the whole grand scheme of things, I promise you, no one's even gonna notice. You just do your best to make them look as straight as possible, all go in the same direction. And that's another reason why you can kind of use those goal lines. Again, I use them purely for goal lines. Get to that next spot, but you can also use them to try and keep your lines, you know, straight and in the same direction. So again, if this video helped you out, be sure to like and follow, subscribe. I really appreciate it. And drop a comment if you want to see more of these. So appreciate y'all stopping by. Y'all have a great weekend. Bye.